We're at the blockage now, which appears to be tree roots, and we're going to pull back and just observe. So this is as far as we could go at this point. And here you can see the massive tree roots. It seems to be every section of pipe. There's a large amount of tree roots. You can see right there at the right of your screen. That looks like an applicator right there. That's a leaf. Alright. You can see the tree roots growing from the top. There's a big mound right there. When I put my camera in the first time to do investigative work to get the water to go down, that's why there's that. That's why it's clear at the bottom of the pipe. Yeah, there's a nice example. That's all tree roots right there, all that shiny, matted. Yeah, there we go again. It's just one after the other. Another section of pipe. There's two big, beautiful trees out front. I think they may be the culprit, but... Alright. These sections of pipe, if we look at the counter, we'll be able to see there are 2-foot sections. And it just comes from time, slight separations in the pipe. Trees are just looking for moisture. There we go. There you go. 38 feet. Once we get to the side of the house, it reduces the amount of tree roots. There's some, they're growing in, but it's further away from the trees. The length of the sewer, I speculate, is like 100 feet. So we were only able to get to 75 feet. So there's another 25 feet, which we haven't been able to camera yet because we couldn't get through the roots. So we'll work our way from this point and try to take care of them. Alright, we're coming on now. I do believe there's some tree roots growing right as we come out.